we saw price use these news that we have uh, 8 p.m. And 8:15 and 9:30 now. That's the news that we are in right now, which is this one, which is there currently. So what it did early in the morning, we opened up high and then went low, seeking some kind of liquidity or below here. And if I go to a higher time frame, you can see how uh, this 4 hour candle came and swept here and then came back into this gap that was left here. So means on a higher time frame there is some kind of rejection uh, where we swept yesterday's low. So now my eyes are gonna be on how we're gonna act around this area and see if we can seek this high, or if there is no strength, we're gonna continue sweep everything below here. If I go on this US 30, you can see we haven't swept below, so I'm suspecting that we're gonna still continue lower since other pair looks were a little big. So ES is in sync with NAS. They both swept below, whereas US 30 didn't go below yesterday's low. So I'm trying to gauge if we did anything. So on a weekly, you can see that we are still gravitating lower on each of these pairs. We all swept last week's high, so that's why I was saying I would want to see us remaining weak and then sweeping these relative equal lows that are all resting below each of these pairs. So if we go back to on hourly, I would want to see us remain generally weak on here and then continue to sweep price below. So I will use one of these news to bring back price below this. You can see how we are trying to make this inversion right here. If we make this inversion, it will be a strong indication that we are rejecting uh, the opening range, or an opening range meaning I haven't talked about opening range, midnight opening range, but the midnight opening range is where you have this candle which you opened on and this high, so you have 12 a.m. and 12:30. The low and the high, so you have the range which you have low and the high and where you opened. See where we just tested where we opened. Now we are just rejecting, so meaning we have strength going lower, which means I can actually use this strength and then target these low, which are my